We are going to talk about addition and subtraction of direct numbers. Let's go through the following examples. Positive 3 plus positive 2, positive 2 plus negative 4, negative 5 minus positive 2, and negative 4 minus negative 7. How to deal with these questions? There are two main steps. First, remove the brackets in direct numbers. After that, perform the addition or subtraction that follows. How do we remove the brackets in direct numbers? We have 4 rules. Rule 1. X plus positive a, which is the usual operation. 2 positive makes a positive. Rule 2. X minus negative a. 2 negatives makes a positive. Rule 3. X plus negative a. Positive, negative makes a negative. Rule 4. X minus positive a. Negative, positive make a negative. Now, we apply these rules to the examples. Example A. Positive 3 plus positive 2. The first number will be the starting point. We don't need to change it. Just copy positive 3. Then plus positive 2. According to rule 1, we have positive 3 plus 2. We will discuss the operations of numbers in the next page. Example B. Positive 2 plus negative 4. Copy the first number, positive 2. Then plus negative 4. By rule 3, we have positive 2 minus 4. Example C. Negative 5 minus positive 2. Do you remember what should we do first? Yes, copy negative 5. Then, by rule 4, we have negative 5 minus 2. The last example, negative 4 minus negative 7. Start with negative 4. Then, by rule 2, we have negative 4 plus 7. After removing the brackets, we perform the operations of numbers. Example A. Positive 3 plus positive 2. We just made it to positive 3 plus 2. The first number, positive 3, is the starting point. Mark it on a number line first. How about plus 2? When we add a number, move to the right on the number line. So we start from positive 3 and move 2 units to the right. The answer is positive 5. Example B. After removing the brackets, the expression is positive 2 minus 4. When we subtract a number, move to the left on the number line. Start from positive 2 and move 4 units to the left. The final position is 2 units to the left of 0, which means negative 2. Therefore, the answer is negative 2. Example C. the starting point is -5. From -2, move 2 units to the left. The answer is -7. Example D. We start from -4. Plus 7 means moving 7 units to the right. The answer is +3. Combining the skills of removing brackets and performing operations on a number 9, we can do addition and subtraction of direct numbers. However, if we use a number 9 to perform operations every time, it will be quite time-consuming. Instead, we have another method to help us calculate faster. Memorize these tips. We now have 4 types. The first 2 belong to the same group, where the numbers in each question have the same sign. This one is 2 positives, and this one is 2 negatives. Part A. Both signs are positive. We first write down the positive sign. Then add the 2 numbers together. 20 plus 16 equals 36. Part B. Both signs are negative. We first write down the negative sign. We also do addition for the 2 numbers. 30 plus 18 equals 48. So we can find the answer directly without using the number 9. In parts C and D, the 2 numbers in each question have different signs, one positive and one negative. We have to compare the numerical values of the 2 numbers first. Part C. +8 and -5. 8 is larger than 5. So take the sign before 8 and write down the positive sign first. Then find the difference between the 2 numerical values. 8 minus 5, which is 3. Therefore, the answer is +3. Part D. -7 and +4. 7 is larger than 4. Take the sign before 7 and write down the negative sign. The difference in numerical values is 7 minus 4, which is 3. Therefore, the answer is -3. The common mistakes in this chapter are that students may remove the brackets in a wrong way. For example, -5 minus -8. Students may see that there are so many negative signs, so the sign in the middle should also be a minus sign. They will write 5 minus 8 and get -3, but this is wrong. Can you figure out the correct answer? First, copy -5. Minus -8 becomes +8. The 2 numbers have different signs. 8 is larger than 5, so we take the positive sign. Then calculate the difference. 8 minus 5, which is 3. The answer is +3. Take another example, -6 plus +9. Some may think that there are many positive signs, So they write down 6 plus 9 and gives 15. But again, this is wrong. The expression should be negative 6 plus 9. Since 9 is larger than 6, so we take the positive sign. 9 minus 6 equals 3. The answer should be positive 3.